Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get rich in Demon Hunter Shadow World. So we got unlimited resources on deck, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys how to download the mod. It works on iOS and Android, and it is super insane. So just keep watching the video. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So basically there's a website called hexmods.com. They have a ton of modded apps. So once we're on the site, we're just going to type in Demon Hunter, and it should come straight up. So there it is, Demon Hunter Shadow World mod. As you can see, unlimited money and gems. So press download. It's going to start to download the mod. So we're just going to wait for it to download here, as you can see. So before it downloads, guys, you are going to have to do a verification. So this just means downloading some apps and completing the instructions. They're 100% free, and they're from the real app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. You can see right here, it is loading up right now. So it says complete 2 free app store surveys. So the problem is, some people, they download 2 of the apps and they don't read the instructions. They don't even do anything on the apps. Think that they're going to get the Demon Hunter Shadow World hack. So what you need to do is download the app and read the instructions. So Alibaba says download, run for 30 seconds. So it brings me to the Play Store. I download the app. Now you might see different apps if you're on an iPhone, I don't know. But anyway, guys, that's how you get the Demon Hunter Shadow World hack. So make sure you do the verification, guys, and you're going to be good to go. As you can see, I'm super rich, guys. So this actually works on iOS and Android. It's super awesome, and I've played this game for quite a while. I did use a burner account, so I didn't get banned, but I didn't get banned either way because my new account has not gotten banned. So as you can see, it just says they have down here checking completion, so it is actively looking to make sure you did the verification, guys. So make sure you do that. You should be all set. See you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go and share. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, and peace out.